Is a heart and blood of the author Chase Milton. A good book is plays significant role in our life. A philosopher expressions everyone know how to read, but few what is read. A great assist Francis Bacon. A great assist Francis Bacon. Some books are to be tasted, other to be swallowed, and a few to be chewed and digested. A good book always inspires and not become via old. Whenever we read it unfolds new meaning and new beauties. I read many books, but Ramcharitmanas is my favorite book. It presents exotic example of Lord Adam's son brother.
Jai Shri Krishna, my name is Mohit. I study in 4th standard. My topic is my school. I read in Alpha Modern Public School, Aurangabad. It is big building. It building is very large. It is best school. It compasses flowers and plants. There are 30 rooms and a library. In a library, there are 20 teachers. Are good. There are good. There are SRO water. Thank you.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Riya. Today my topic is Blaze Fair. India is a country of fair and festival. Last week I visited in Blaze held in my place. There were many shops. They had toys, sweet. People from nearby Blaze had come to enjoy the occasion. There was much crowd. The shopkeepers shouted loudly to sell their things. Bangles, marbles, balloons were the attraction to the children. The most attraction of the fair merry-go-round. I bought toys sweet. I come back home. Thank you.
Jai Shri Krishna, my name is Pooja. Today my topic is morning walk. Morning walk is a good tonic. It is a good exercise for our body. It go for morning walk daily. There is fish and cool dewdrop on the grass. Look like parrots. The beauty nature is present. Is eyes. Many people can be seen taking mild exercise. I took mild round and mild exercise. We should go for morning walk daily. Thank you.
All of you, my name is Dipanshu. I am from class 7. Today my topic is to borrow books from the book bank. With a humble request, I want to say that I study in 7th class in our school. My father is poor farmer. I am poor student in our class. He cannot buy me a set of books. I am in good looks of my teacher. Therefore issue me a set of books. I shall be highly thankful to you for this act. Yours faithfully named Dipanshu, class 7th. Thank you.
Jai Shri Krishna, all of you. My name is Vinay. Today my topic is pollution. We are living in the age of pollution. People are polluting in the environment. Harmful smoke emitted in the air through the vehicle machineries. It causes careless disease. Nowadays, noise water can be seen everywhere. Musical instruments are used careless shop and religious places. It disturbs peace of general people. People pollute water by throwing rubbish. It destroys water creatures. It increases water temperature. Thank you.
बहुत बढ़िया.
And education during the winter vacation and education to our history teacher and where with hard was at first reached Chittor. My name is Has. My topic is a thirsty crow. Once there was a thirsty crow. He went here and there in search of water. At last he found a pitcher in a garden. There was a little water. So he could not drink water. He thought of a plan. He dropped pieces of stone into the pitcher. Water came up. He drank water and flew. He was happy. Thank you.
Jai Shri Krishna, my name is Radhika from 5th class. Today my topic is a greedy dog. Once there was a dog, he was very young. He went here and there in search of food. At last he found a piece of bone at a butcher's shop. He went to eat it alone. He went to the forest. When he was crossing a river, he saw his reflection into water. He took him another dog with piece of bone. He began to bark at it. The piece of bone fell into the water. He was very sad. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Saurav. My topic is to issue my TC. With a humble respect, I want to say that my father is teacher. He has been transferred to Delhi. My father is going to settle there. I come also there with family. I respect you to issue my TC. Thank you.
Jai Shri Krishna, all of you. My name is Arun. I study in 7th class. Today my topic is education. Education is very important for everyone. Education is very important pool of bright future. Without education, we cannot achieve your success. It make independent. It help to learn many new and good things. It make self-confidence. It is solving problem skills. Thank you.
Jai Shri Krishna, everyone. My name is Tanuj. I am from the 8th class. Today my topic is in education. What is the benefit of education? Education is the key of success. Without education, we cannot be successful our dreams. Some people want to become a soldier, engineer in their lives. Without education, it is not possible. Education is a weapon to change the world. With the help of the education, we can fight against the social crimes. With the help of education, the people solve their problems. With the education, we can translate any word in our language. With the help of education, Mr. Abdul Kalam make a first missile of the India. Thank you, everyone.
Good morning, all of you. I am Bindu from class 9. I have a golden chance to speak a poem in front of you. Capsular. Once there was a capsular. He used to sail his cap place to place. One hot afternoon, he returning to sail his cap. He was so tired, so he thought to rest under a shady tree. Soon he was slept. There were many monkeys. They caught his cap and went away. When the capsular woke up, he saw his cap was not there. He thought a plan. He threw his cap on the ground. All monkeys are imitate him. He collected his cap and went away. Moral: where wisdom trump, where power fails. Thank you and have a nice day.
Jai Shri Krishna, my name is Lava. Today my topic is a thirsty crow. Once there was a thirsty crow. He went here in search of water. At last he found a pitcher in a garden. There was a little water in the pitcher, so he could not drink water. He thought of a plan. He dropped some pieces of stone into the pitcher. Water came up. He drank water and flew away. He was very happy. Thank you. My name is Baba. Today is 26 January. Republic Day is our national festival. India Constitution came into force 26 January 1950. India Constitution is the supreme law of India. Our Constitution always respect our India. I am proud of my India. I love my India. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you. My name is Vipin. Today my topic is a morning walk. A morning walk is a good tonic. It is a best exercise for our body. I go for morning walk daily. There is a coolness. Dew drops look like pale as grass. There is a beauty of culture for the eyes to take can be seen. A mild exercise. I take mild exercise, mild rest. It keep us. We feel relaxed at lungs. Our lungs strong. Morning walk is our tension Like, good morning everyone. My name is Jatish. My topic is to borrow books from the book bank. With a humble request, I want to say that I am a student of 7th class in your school. I am a poor student. My father is a poor farmer. He cannot buy me a book. I am in good looks of my teacher. Therefore, I request you to issue me a set of books. I shall be highly thankful for this act. Thank you.
My name is Siddharth. Today my topic is morning walk. Morning walk is a good tonic. It is a good exercise for our body. It maintains our blood circulation system. It keeps our body fit and healthy. There are present for morning walk some dewdrops on grass. They present our eyesight. Some people are go to morning walk daily, take a mid run and mid exercise. I go for morning walk daily, mid run and mid exercise. People go to morning walk daily. Thank you.
Jai Shri Krishna. My name is Dipti Chauhan. I study in 9th standard. Today my topic is a story, wolf and lamb. Once there was a wolf. He was very hungry. He saw a lamb drinking water on the river. He thought to eat it. So he said, "Why are you water make muddy? Don't you see I am drinking water?" The lamb replied, "Pardon me, sir. The water is flowing from you to me. How can I make it muddy?" At this the wolf said, "Why can you abuse me last year?" The lamb replied, "Pardon me, sir. I am only 6 months. How can I abuse you?" At this the wolf said, "It was not you. It must be your father. He killed the lamb and ate it. Moral right is might." Thank you. Have a nice day.
My name is Rakhi. My topic is an elephant. An elephant is our strongest and largest animal on the earth. It is dark gray in color. It can live up 70 years. It is the most of intelligent animal. It can be trained for different purposes. And an elephant is a herbivorous animal. It eats leaves, grass, barks of trees. It has 2 big ears like fan and 2 small eyes. Thank you.
बहुत बढ़िया।
My name is Bhumika. My topic is light. Light is a form of energy. Light is needed to see things. So we cannot see an object in the darkness of light. Darkness of light, the act of light which our eyes various source of light around us is the important source of light for use in the sun. The sun is a very black source of light. As a shadow is from behind the object. Thank you.